Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, some crazy events have taken place and this news has definitely impacted the crypto market in a negative way. The whole market has tanked even harder and now Bitcoin is sitting just under 84,000 with a little bit of panic from the entire market, expecting the market to fall even harder. And you can see the Fear to the Grid index is sitting at 26 and there is signs that we will be seeing another massive outflow very soon. Let me tell you one thing, a lot of people are asking me in the comment section, do you think the bull market is over? And the simple answer is until Bitcoin does not fall under 65,000, I do not think that the bull market is over. Some important news that have dropped is Trump announces 25% tariffs on European Union. This is huge because the amount of connection they used to have in the past, this shows that he's starting to favor Russia a little bit more. On the other end, total spot Bitcoin ETF volume surpasses 5 billion in the last 24 hours. Dogecoin total futures trading volume has dropped from 58 billion in November to just at 992 million today. Bank of America will likely issue its very own stablecoin and regulations allow. Now, if the regulations go through and this comes out, let me tell you, the stablecoin is going to be insane. And Dogecoin network activity tanks by 95%. There's a lot of things happening. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button for the latest and the greatest news first. While you're there, slap a like on the video. Just update to algorithm, push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what's happening in the crypto market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I just want to show you guys the Dogecoin market, and you can see that previously when we received the flash crash at the start of February, that's pretty much the time when we tested close to 20 cents. Ever since, we were not at this point, but currently where we are sitting is actually fallen under that support, and there is a sign that we will be testing close to 19 cents. And if Bitcoin does not show any signs of slowing down, we can expect a lower Dogecoin price. Another thing that's interesting is if you look at Bitcoin, yesterday I mentioned that personally I like to be very optimistic when it comes to the Bitcoin price, but it just does not seem very positive, and that's exactly how it's been reacting. You can see that this is the exact point when I said maybe there is a sign that we might be able to find a support over here, but the chances are quite low, and that's exactly how things have turned out. Let me tell you one thing, now the chances of slowing down is even more slim due to the fact that there is literally nothing. This is just a slide down. The only next support that we will be seeing is close to 73,000, which is about $10,000 lower than where we are sitting currently. Does that mean I'm telling you to go short on Bitcoin currently? And the answer is no, because hey, this is the crypto market, extremely hard to predict. Maybe from here we might be seeing an extremely quick recovery, and if we're able to just get back to 92k, this could be completely invalid. On the other end, this was huge, and this is the reason why the market tanked even harder today. President Trump announces 25% tariffs on the European Union. Now, you guys know the European Union and America has been working very well together ever since World War II, and this is the first time where America is just completely against the European Union and actually voting in favor of Russia. So there's just so much uncertainty with everything happening. Obviously, it's going to affect all the markets around the world in a negative way. On the other end, the Bank of America will likely issue its own stablecoin if regulations allow, and this wasn't just a random statement. This was actually mentioned by someone of very high caliber, which is CEO Brian, indicated that it's only a matter of time before the commercial bank debut its own stablecoin, because they need to be able to find a way to ensure that they still have a little bit of control. It's pretty clear there is going to be a stablecoin which is going to be fully backed by the dollar. And Binance founder CZ says no need to panic, Bitcoin won't die. This is just another pullback that you will experience. If you're a new trader, you can be a little bit scared, I understand, but obviously there is going to be a recovery. Talking about the open interest for Bitcoin, it has dropped by 7%, and the long to the short ratio, well, it's very clear that a lot of people are expecting the market to make a recovery. 66% are going long, and this is huge. President Trump orders all the federal agencies to prepare for a massive downsizing. And you guys know that Elon is trying extremely hard, especially when it comes to, you guys know, Doge, which is the the firm that they're working on. And there is a lot of things that they are changing, and Elon's getting a lot of threats. That's all I'm going to say. No matter how you look at it, Bitcoin has broken out of this channel. And what does this mean? Does this mean it will be able to make a recovery? We would have to wait and see. And what's even crazier, I don't know if you guys are paying attention to, is the Tesla stock. When Trump just came into power, Tesla stock actually pumped so hard all the way to 450 and now has dipped all the way down to 290. And every single day we are seeing an extreme result of the way actions are being played out. And what will this have in the near future? We will have to wait and see. Another thing is Dogecoin network has significantly contracted, with new addresses creation dropping from 1.3 million to just 30,000 today. So you can see that the entire market and even like the usage of the network is dropping quite significantly. And if Bitcoin is following the 2011 to 2015 cycle, this could suggest that the market top is already in. Well, one thing you need to understand, as the market cap of Bitcoin is definitely increasing, the amount of return you will receive every single bull market is obviously going to be much less. As compared to 2010, 2011, the market cap of Bitcoin was at a much lower market cap, and now it's sitting at close to 1.6 trillion. So just for the market to double, it would need to have 1.6 trillion dollars being poured into Bitcoin, which seems like a lot of money. And that's why these cycles are going to be smaller. And SEC ends investigation into the crypto exchange Gemini. Now, this is another good news, because you guys know SEC is slowly trying to get rid of all these big problems that these places are getting, which is obviously everything relating to crypto exchanges, DEX. You can talk about Uniswap. So it's good to see. And Oklahoma's government oversight committee passes strategic Bitcoin reserve bill, advances to the House floor. So there's more things happening. Oklahoma is trying to get their Bitcoin reserve set up as soon as possible. And the US spot Bitcoin ETF sees the largest ever daily outflow of nearly $1 billion, and 300 million Doge hits the major crypto exchange COINBASE. What's happening? Usually when Dogecoin or any crypto goes to an exchange from an unknown wallet, it's usually to sell. That's all I'm going to say. And mysterious crypto whale alert, massive 8,000 Bitcoin Coinbase transfer to unknown wallet sparks a frenzy. So this person is deciding to just buy and hold for the long term. Other than that, the market is in a really scary situation. I'm not going to tell you what to do. I mean, at the end of the day, this is no financial advice. I just like to give my personal opinion. But the market is going to be a little bit unstable for the coming days, so prepare for that, and I will see you very soon.